Alright, here's an exam question on completing the square. It's one of the more basic types of exam questions you could be asked about, because all it's asking you to do is just to complete the square. It's not asking for anything else, it's just asking to put it in the appropriate form. So we'll begin by opening up brackets. That bracket gets squared, and inside the bracket goes an x. So hopefully you have some kind of knowledge already about how to go about this. The number which joins the x in the bracket, that will be the coefficient of x, so that positive 6, but divided by 2, so it'll be half of 6, so it'll be a positive 3. So inside the bracket, it'll be an x plus 3. In terms of outside the bracket, well, we take that number which gone inside the bracket, the positive 3, and we subtract that positive 3 squared. So we'll subtract 3 squared. The two things I see people get wrong a lot here is they'll add on 3 squared, which is always going to be wrong. We always have to subtract the number inside the brackets. Even if it was a minus 3, you subtract minus 3 squared. So it doesn't matter if it's positive or negative, we subtract that number in the bracket squared. And the second thing I see a lot of people do, which is probably more common, is they'll subtract 6 squared. They'll forget to divide the coefficient of x by 2, and they'll square that. So they'll put minus 6 squared rather than minus 3 squared. So just bear that in mind. And then also, to finish off, we have a minus 2 here. And then just to clean up a bit, because we need it in the form p and q there. So we x plus 3 squared minus 9 minus 2, and that just becomes x plus 3 squared minus 11. Be careful here. In this case, p will be 3. Do not write q is 11, because q is not 11. Q is minus 11, so write q equals minus 11 there.